In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2019, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Begin by launching Play Store and getting free app called DevCheck device and system info. It has to be from Flirt2 developer. This one. When your app is ready, launch it. Then thanks to it, you can learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!